Hey guys, and it's time for the Samsung Galaxy M30, the most premium smartphone in the whole M series. And this smartphone is going to be the best of its kind. Yeah, it's just like you pay more and get more features. So first off, design wise, the M30 will equip the same Infinity U gorgeous panel. However, unlike the M20, which is coming with the LCD screen, the M30 will feature a better AMOLED panel, and that's impressive. Because there's a huge difference when it comes to standard LCD versus Samsung's AMOLED. And not only that, the M30 will also feature triple rear cameras. One of them will be a standard normal sensor, second one will be an ultra wide sensor, and at last there we have the depth sensor for better portrait shots. So 3 rear facing cameras in the M30 and a beautiful 16 megapixel front facing shooter. And along with the best display, Samsung is also planning to provide you the best cameras. That's nice. So this is all about the design. It is definitely going to look gorgeous and it may come with a glass panel, not confirmed yet. Okay, so now it's time for the specifications, and the M30 is going to be almost similar to the M20 in terms of CPU, and that's the Exynos 7885 processor, which lies between Snapdragon 660 and 636 in terms of performance. I've personally used it in the A7 2018 and it's definitely a decent processor. You will get 6/4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of internal storage, and yes, you can expand it via dedicated micro SD card slot. There is a 5000 mAh of battery with fast charging via USB-C. Finally, it's happening. The M30 will be one of the first Samsung smartphone to get Android Pie based One UI, and that's nice cause that operating system is literally smooth. Yeah, that's all about the M30 we know right now. Things may change before the final release, and that's happening on 28 Jan. My expected pricing will be 19,000 Indian rupees for the base variant, and if this information is right, it's going to be one of the best smartphone both in terms of camera and design. So that's all guys, let me know which one would you choose, the M20 or a slightly higher M30. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like, subscribe, and peace out.